Well, hello everyone, it's Anita Fairy Dust Nails, and I want to make this video today and do a shout out to Sanini Msebele. Thank you for the question and for the help that you asked on Facebook. So I will gladly help you to do the ombre and show you how I do an easy ombre with acrylic. This is just an example of one nail that I've done in different colors. I'll start off by showing you the normal white and cover pink. We've got already the client's nail prepped. And then what I do is take a little bit of a stiffer bead of the white. Put it at the free edge of the nail. Work it right to the tip to form the shape of the actual nail. And then you take your brush lightly and pull it back like that. If you go too far or you think you go too far, just fade it out with your brush while it's very wet. Like that. Okay. Then I just shape and push these so that it's actual flat to the back. Yeah, so that it's flat to the actual nail. Then your edge has already been built with the white. So then, there we go. If you think you should go a little bit further, rather take a small bead, put it down there, work it up higher. It's very easy to add product, but it's not easy at all to take product away. So when you are a beginner and you're battling with stuff like that, work with smaller beads until you get the nick of it, and then the things will become so much easier. Okay, so there, the white has been done. What I'll do next is I'll just give it time to set a little bit. Then you take a little bit of a wetter bead of your cover pink, small bead. Put it down there where your actual white has stopped. Push it to your sides, but this is wet. Remember, tilt your nail downwards, then it'll run to the free edge, just like that. Then you lightly take your brush and swoosh it down to the free edge. There you can already see that the gradient has formed. Then I will take another bead, a bigger one, put it down at the cuticle area, work it to the sides, pat it down, and then do the same. Swish it to the end. I just use light strokes to move the product to the actual free edge of the nail. And if you see, if it's a little bit uneven, take a very small but very wet bead. Put it down and swish it down again. Trying to work in two bigger beads doesn't give you time to work with the actual product to get the gradient proper. And that is how you do a gradient. What I would normally do is to soften the look a little bit I would take a clear bead, put it down, and then evenly just glide it down over your product, a very thin layer. Pat, pat, pat all the time, from your side to side. Pat it, side to side. Last little bit, swish over the nail like that. And there you have a proper ombre. So Nini, I hope this helps you a lot. If you're still battling, I would gladly do another video for you so that you can see, and if my explanation is not clear, please let me know. I will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.